So I'm with Mr. Mohan Chandran, the area director of the Taj Group of Hotel in Hyderabad. Welcome to the show, Mr. Mohan Chandran.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bose.
Great to have someone like you in the initiative of the IHM Young Chef India, which is a co-partner project with the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. And interestingly, Hyderabad has been the culinary capital of India, and you are leading that entire Taj Hotel group out here. So I'd like to ask you about the hospitality situation in Hyderabad. How is it now? How is it improving? And what do you feel about the future of the Hyderabad industry scenario?
So, Dr. Bose, I think more than the culinary capital of India, Hyderabad is perhaps known as the MICE capital of India. It's a city that really lends itself to incentives, meetings, conferences on a large scale. In a broad sense, it is recovering from a few years of poor tourism numbers. It's the youngest state now, Telangana, in India.
Yeah.
The state is just barely 2 years old. There is a new government, very proactive, trying to encourage business and tourism footfall into the state. And all of that is helping to push our visitor numbers up. So in that sense, I think for all of us in Hyderabad, these are really exciting times ahead in the short term.
Fantastic. So Hyderabad is rocking in hospitality scenario, and you have just heard the area director of the Taj Group of Hotels in Hyderabad saying that Hyderabad is the MICE capital of India. Hospitality rocks in Hyderabad, and I'm a big fan of Hyderabad for not just for biryani, but for all the food that your great chefs are churning out in all the great hotels, including Taj. So you must be very lucky to be here for the last few years and taking over the reins as the area director of the Taj.
Yes, I'm enjoying my stint here, and like you said, there is so much to experience in this lovely city, the old Nizami culture, the wonderful flavors of the food, not just the biryani, like you said, the haleems, the patthar ka gosht, the fabulous kubani ka meetha, the double ka meetha. There's this wonderful melange of cuisine here that I think really excites all of us hospitality professionals.
Fantastic. So which in a way brings us to the culinary scene of Hyderabad, since we are basically focusing for this particular episode of the IHM NDTV Incredible India on Hyderabad, and the 10 of the best young chefs of Hyderabad will be today fighting out to go to the final. One of them will go to the final, and they will be pitching against all the top city finalists, and one of them will win the Young Chef India crown, which is fantastic. Apart from a prize money of 5 lakh rupees, they will be pride owner of the India Young Chef. So for all these 10 young chefs from Hyderabad, from your city of Hyderabad, any particular message to them, Mr. Mohan Chandran?
I guess it's a great opportunity for them to showcase their talent. Food, as we know, it's such an emotive subject. It's something that all of us associate to at a very subliminal level. And here, I think it's a wonderful initiative by the ministry, and it's an example of a private-public partnership, really, a PPP. And it brings together this emotional fondness for food with a sense of competition, with an opportunity to showcase yourself on a platform that I understand is going across the country and the world. What better opportunity for a young kid starting out in the line? Fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic, isn't it? For these young kids, I mean, when we were young, we never got this kind of opportunity.
Nobody gave me 5 lakhs to participate in any competition then.
Absolutely, sir. And the pride and the passion of representing your city. It is like, and not just city, your school and your people. I think Hyderabad is just fantastic in a way. And so we have got some of the best chefs judging them, led by Ranveer Brar, who himself is an youth chef icon of India. We in Hyderabad do face a shortfall of the good chefs as an person directing the Taj Group in Hyderabad. Are you happy with the human resources of the chef, or you feel that?
I think broadly speaking, at the industry level, there is a certain amount of skills shortage, and that does extend to the profession of cuisine too. But within that, I think there are particular areas that are slightly more difficult to come by. For example, pastry skills right now is a big shortage in Hyderabad, I think. As you know, the industry requires a certain lengthy apprenticeship. A lot of youngsters that come into this trade sometimes don't stay on that entire period required for you to master the skill. Because only after you master the skill can you give rein to your creativity and then grow. So to that extent, I think it's upon us industry to continue to provide these exciting opportunities that motivate these youngsters to stay on and then perform to their best ability. So I think it will come.
Fantastic. So you feel that we need a lot of good chefs. We
Always, yes.
You said about
always.
pastry chef in particular.
As you know, right now tourism is a booming segment. And if you look at the branded hotel category in India, there's probably fewer than 120,000 rooms. In the US, there's probably 5 million rooms. So people are coming into India, visitation numbers are up, there are more hotels getting built. So we need more professionals on the service side to staff these hotels. So yes, opportunities are growing.
Absolutely. And so what Mr. Mahan Channa says that we need more chefs, we need more not just culinary skill but also specialist like pastry chef you mentioned. So for all these youngsters seeing the program, just see that one of the iconic hotelier from your city of Hyderabad talking about huge opportunities. So grab it up, and from him the last word before you go on and fight for the battle for the best young chef of India. Last word, sir.
I hope someone from Hyderabad wins. Hospitality rocks.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being
you.
with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. That's an excellent.